and good morning the world in general. My name is Comedian Youngest Landlord. You guys charge, and I wish you first of all happy new week. Today on Monday. Thank you.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with the network, but please want to apologize for that break in transmission. Next to me is my brother, Youngest Landlord, and I'm here to discuss with him today basically because the hike in cement and his endorsement deal with GDT Quality Aluminium. So my brother, you don't get D. Those people don't watch you. You say you don't get D. This deal you get, those not be with Dangote cement.
No, no.
Because
It's made too dear now.
because
So for you to even come and say you want give me D with Dangote. Now good thing first of all, but for now, they're encouraging because Smith now is 4,000 naira per bag. So meaning you are not encouraging the upcoming to become a landlord or to even have investments because you are the richest in Africa to start with. And it's a good thing to we Africans that our brother, to we Nigerians first to start with, that our senior brother, Bra, is the richest in Africa. What I know you are employing Nigerians also in your business. But let's leave your own business aspect out of it. Let's talk about the common man in the street. So you can't say 4,000 per bag. How much even the bricklayer, when one miss the smith, that's the service, in money for full day, now how much? 2.5. And one set 100 block. The person when one can set 100 block, in full money now 3.5.
I did tell you.
So you see the shit us. So you have to break it down.
That is it. So if you see the person using the bag of cement that's going to use 5 bags of cement to work in a day, the money he earns is not even up to the price of his cement bag.
So that one I error like that now.
Where are we heading to? My brother, Youngest Landlord, I know you are a proud supporter of the reduction of cement price.
I'm not only a proud supporter of the reduction of a cement price. I'm a proud supporter of a common man. What our Youngest Landlord can benefit, I believe a common man can also benefit it. Yeah. That makes us equal in the sight of God, according to Bible. I will say, yeah, not true. Save Nigeria so. Early fund to all of them. 4,000 per bag. Meaning, who can they earn 10,000 in a month, 15,000 in a month? It will take time to gather to fit buy 5 bags of cement to even take mold, not be to block. Build now.
To mold block.
Just to mold block. Before you come out strength, come out speaking school fees, come out this one. So the truth is bitter. Sorry, but let's say it.
All right, my brother. I think everybody appears to be hearing you loud and clear. So this discussion we want to talk about now, this is your endorsement deal. How many hundreds of millions they give you? I don't say anytime they sign off on a different entertainment. Some of them they collect it 70, some they collect it 500, some they collect it 200 million. So this deal, how far? Because me need to collect my small thing this morning. So this deal, where did it up? What's it about this GDT Quality Aluminium and you're signing with them?
The truth is bitter. But one thing about Youngest Landlord, I not get secret. Now make me not join secret court. Because the day when you put me, I go announce you cannot get secret. Yes, I have a D with GDT Quality Aluminium. But the gospel truth is that you talk about when the entertainment, they sign us 100 million, 200 million, 500 million.
But no be lie, they lie now.
Wait, not be lie. Because I wait you hear, not be waiting you see. So for Youngest Landlord, I don't believe in what I hear. I believe in what I see. Because what I hear, I can form it. I can format it. I can put Maggi. I can put stew. If you give me 2 million, I'll broadcast say I get those many deal with also D. 200 million. Now the problem when entertainers they put themselves, all those fake life. If una really feel say all these entertainers they get all this money, how many entertainers they sick? They will broadcast and say they need only 3 million to do surgery. So the truth is bitter. And all the people when they collect the big money, 100 million, 500 million, they don't even drop 1 million. So now audio, my brother and my sister. If you get endorsement deal with person, like me, youngest landlord, this GDT quality aluminium.
They do all those stone coated roof tiles.
Yes.
All those modern roof tiles.
Yes. Now Benin here, he did. You understand me? The reason why I even go into the deal, now because he did Benin here, because a woman I own a meroyi. Not be all those so they go Lagos, they go Onisha, they go they buy. At the end, you now even fake you see they buy. But our own yeah, Benin man, Benin son of the soil. We know one person now because we dey fear saying a lie or na fake. So the reason why I go into this deal, money where they give me not even reach anything. They not even give me money because the deal where we do on, as the business they grow, youngest landlord they grow. You understand me? Oh, in Edoma, all of us they grow together. It is very cheap and affordable. The man idea now to make sure say all Edo youth, Edo personnel, people when of fit builders, fit get access to fit get in mind. Say if I fit carry out this roofing, I get one place where I fit go buy cheap roofing sheet when they are affordable. Now in dream with that everybody be they successful. So now let me key into the idea. So my brother, the idea, the contract deal, not just pass it. Now let's grow and let the state also grow. The citizens.
But you believe saying that you as a youngest landlord you be now, so you don't introduce your own deal now. Let's grow and let's grow deal.
If I don't want to introduce let's grow and let's grow deal, I for not build hotel for Edo State for Benin. I for go build my hotel and apartment. I get the access now, which whoever knows. Lagos and Abuja, which God already do that one to acquire. I for go do the business there. But I decided to come home because my major fight and challenge is that Edo youth, Edo citizen, figure work. So that crime rate go reduce for the state. Because the Bible says an idle man is the devil worship.
All right. I don't really get much to say this morning. But maybe one ask you, you never tell me you just open your hotel. And after you open your hotel and apartment, we can't expect him at least we go see either 100 days in office as a hotel owner, or we go see something because we know say you are full of innovation.
Yes.
So you tell me, wetin dey on the pipeline wey you know say Edo people go dey expect from you for the now?
The truth is that now governor they do 100 days in office. Not be comedian like me. When just build hotel. So now 1 year anniversary.
Okay.
Now I go do.
Okay.
So my 100 days for not be office. Now hospitality business.
Okay, 100 days in hospitality business. Yeah, I agree with you because you're not in office.
Yeah, I'm not in office. Okay. Which office are they? When I see this street, they also. Now May 1st, it's supposed to complete 100 days. But the celebration, not be even celebration. Now normal celebration when the world they celebrate May 11, Bob Marley night.
Okay.
And May 11.
So you get sure that to mark 100 days as a.
Apart from that, I just get show Bob Marley night for the general public, and at the same time appreciating God and my esteemed customers. When not fail me, when not make me run leave the business because not be to build hotel and to one light. So you see appreciate everybody. Now May 11. We just still come together, many comedians go dey perform, artists go dey sing, and everything go dey happen. That is May 11. Then thereafter, with GDT quality aluminium. Look where you say me I do 100 days. I never finished to do many places. And which I do people, they are expecting more. You don't understand me?
I agree with you.
Uh-huh.
But for now, me and you know say we don't say more stuff to the use cement first.
Yes, so that one are the important thing. For now make me even see stop project. Because it get some cement when I buy. That was last month, February. Yes. When I already buy it down. So the company that they owe me money. So now I just take fair rush my bush bar, my outdoor bar. That to do that video. But for now, as it may come to there, me just stop work for now. I just stop work. I just want to make sure say I'm not against the masses' conscience. Okay. Because the truth is bitter. But let's say it. You can never say that. Pay person come buy cement 4,000. See, if you don't know the usefulness of 4,000, if you don't know the usefulness of 4,000 naira, I will tell you what you will use 4,000 to do. 4,000 naira. If you don't know the usefulness, now people they pray to earn 4,000 in a month. You get the way you frustrate. You know say 1,000 be like 1 million. So I'm against it. And I rebuke it.
Thank you, my brother.
Yes.
Thank you, my brother. So, my dear people, you have heard from the horse's mouth. Even if we've been seeing comments trickling, my brother Stanley Osede is asking which one be 100 days in hotel business, Emmanuel. You weak?
No, man, that one. I don't personally see comment just now. He say we know hear word for this your local hotel. Stanley Osede, if he easy, my brother. If it's just easy, show your house. House where you dey stay so. Show us with the paper saying na your own. House even too big. Lay foundation of toilet. See you say my hotel local. It make God help me punish you. Now that video I think they curse you so. Since you be enemy of progress. Person, your own brother, no carry money when they make. They go invest for another state, Lagos, Abuja or Kano. He carry and come Benin. Imagine as a Benin man be Dangote. All of if or not even if na 4,000 for outside, for Benin where he come from, he go cheap. You know, oh yeah, you get serve who get money, you say no. You get money, make we serve you, you say no. Which kind of life you dey live, Stanley Osade? Which kind of life? Think about your life. Who don't pass you, Back tire, no fit overtake front tire. Over somersaulting of a vehicle. Teach other coming once a lesson. May you hear word, Stanley. Thank you.
Youngest landlord, they say na God. Youngest landlord, na God go bless you forever. Amen.
So people they don't get sense.
Our boy, second son, I need to talk that one. We all know as it be. We all know say Nigeria no easy. And we know say you know they easy. And I make at the field the other day. One of my boys come and me say, "Pa, me, you need to give him 50K. Say the house with me, they tell us me go complete. The money don't take go deposit for cement. They say for him to carry the cement, I need to deposit 80,000. I say for waiting for cement where we don't buy, maybe that 80,000 you take buy road. Maybe if you complete once, I mean you go, maybe you come up for this rent so you pay every time. And that one we see there. Now that one we see there now.
You know why me myself? Then say na loan you carry. Now your pa give me the loan now. And your pa give me now. You did there now.
That one a high style bar. You know, say
all these people, as in the news shock them. That they expect say youngest landlord by now, you don't mind. But no, say if God blow your whistle, even if you don't wear jersey, you will win match. So what I want to talk, me, I dey against this cement matter. You know why? Last year when I built this very place, I dey buy cement 35, 37. I dey hear am for body. I start with 2005 to buy cement. When I go to do the main this thing na 35, 37, which normally me could ask myself, what about people when no fit afford am? So wanna share this message for us.
Youngest, me do the update now. I know this way they happen for my platform now. You see, They say, can I get the contact with GDT?
Oh yeah, may I have given her the number? Very easy.
And this contact now, so me, they need to endorse me. Oh.
No, no worry. No worry.
See can I get contact with GDT? All this on my platform now.
You the tapper now, you tapper.
No, you just call the number. Okay, Mo will help GDT now. Mo will peg the number.
Mo peg the number.
After we finish now, we'll talk about the endorsement. Come here, I need money.
Yes, don't worry.
Okay, no problem. Let's have the number out there for those of you who need GDT.
Yes, GDT Aluminium 080
080
320
320
34
34
995
995.
One thing I want to tell you now, yes. One thing I want to tell you now about GDT Aluminium is that it was in a fake roof. GDT Aluminium, they say. Me, youngest landlord, no, if he come out with my name when God give me. Because you know why? It's easy to destroy name and they're very difficult to make name. Many of them when know me for EBS then. Una continue now the same name I see they struggle for.
Youngest landlord, somebody just talk and say per whole love, say youngest landlord, you still remember that time for EBS?
Nah, thank God. So I know if you see bad thing, I will call they come out, they preach and say it good. And you call go later and say a bad thing. You understand me? GDT quality aluminum. Now I tell roof, this my very place, this my very business. When it be say I did. If you know say you don't want buy fake aluminum roof, you know say you don't want the problem. If you be engineer, God forbid now say soldier barrack 4 brigade now can't give you quarter say roof 4 brigade. You can't go buy fake roofing. You imagine your life won't be. Just the thinker. To come shock you now their Oga office now will come they leak joy. You are a problem. So it's good. GDT Aluminium in Benima. His name na Gabriel. The owner na his name na Ambassador Gabriel Iduseri. Is the CEO GDT Quality Aluminium. He did kilometer 10 for Sapler Road before bypass. Now there, to shock you, they even get sound engineers. When they say they will follow you go your site, they know what and what to do. The number, this our comment section. Call them. You there abroad, you there anywhere you there. You don't get fear. Say they will go use rubbish roof for your house. You know, say some roof they when be say if son your beat, you feel your do roof today.
We'll go see the GDT.
If son your beat before you know now, it don't change color. GDT not be like that. You not get type of roofing when they not get. They get metro tiles, they get step tiles, they get normal aluminum roof, they get Ghana roof, they even get a door roof. Una know a door roof. So they get all the roof of different type when you want, and they will give you the best with sound engineer, and the price is very affordable. Are they on 6 months contract with them? The reason why they tell una that 6 months now they deal with them so that to really know if what they talk that they do, and since I deal with them that they deliver. All the customers when I don't give them no complaint. Everybody they rejoice. At the end of the day, if you like, you build 100 stories without better roof. Not be 100 stories you build. Wind go help you carry your roof. Go give your neighbor. So use better roof and God bless you.
Youngest landlord is a real comedian. Peace to Edo land. Edo people must learn to promote their own. Yes, Omobude A. Barnabas, I agree with you 100% on that. We must have our own, because right from the days of Bendel, we had Bendel Cement, we had Bendel Brewery, we had Bendel Insurance, we had everything of Bendel, we had ours. But today, because of the polarization of states in Nigeria, we don't forget those glory. Even when you can't reach Edo State, we still can't get Edo line. We just this will be our own. But nowadays, everybody want the form say, "Na know, how it be pass." So then everybody, everywhere now you go see if the Lichuku, this one, that one. We know they say our own again, apart from our brothers, we be like
Big Joe them. The Big Joe Ventures.
The Big Joe Ventures.
Amia Osa and the rest of them.
Degbe Line.
Degbe
Iyare Motors. All those things. So now so it be. So once again, I remind all that person that you're not right activist. When I don't hear from youngest landlord, they say this endorsement. Now, how you take all them again?
I say this my endorsement deal. Now to promote.
No. You get the way you take. You say now give and give again. Except I go play this video back. It don't stick up my memory.
Wait here I talk. Even if I use another language, they talk. I use another language, they talk. And so far, I make a point out of what I'm saying.
Okay.
That's what it did for Bible. My 6 months endorsement deal with GDT. When I do the 3 billboard for town, my 6 months endorsement deal with GDT Aluminium. Now to promote my state and my kingdom, my land, Benin land. Because now GDT Quality Aluminium, now company, when ready, support youth, support common man in the street. Now wetin me dey preach about? My hotel na water dey 100, 200. According to as you feel the waka pass, you feel relax yourself. Room dey when cheap, discount. So now so GDT be. If they look you, they know say, and they say quality something. You need this assistance. They go give you as far say you are from this land. Because now development now we want for our land. And now wetin youngest landlord still want. Their office dey kilometer 10 Benin Saple Road before bypass or Obi Junction. Now the number now I put there. If una try and if na rubbish roof, if na fake roof, if na stupid roof, when no last, when no get warranty, may una find me beat. Now me dey talk am. So GDT Aluminium na the best and na the very best when they are affordable for your roof, you know.
All right. We got a whole lot to catch up today. We have CFOs to submit. We have appointments to meet on service. And we also have meetings for our next planned protest for the reduction of cement price. So, ladies and gentlemen and brothers and sisters out there, it's a nice time with youngest landlord. In fact,
yes,
anytime I'm in youngest landlord's apartment, hotel, and suite, I'm very sure of maximum relaxation.
Because the place not even far from town. It is Prince Alexander Ogun Road, beside Sazi Filling Station for Ajip before Winners, Saple Road, Benin City. Now there we dey. Anything you want to do now, birthday. We even do birthday here yesterday. Now outdoor birthday, now indoor we get apartments. Now normal relaxation, single room. You dey abroad, you dey find where they safe. You dey find where security dey. Where you see beat your chest, say you still support your own brother, youngest landlord. You want call Nigeria, you want to do burial or marriage or anything you want to do, and you want stay long, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month. I personally, I'll give you discount. If my room before na 20,000, I will give you 10,000. If my room na 15,000, I will give you 10,000. If my apartment na 100,000, I will give you 50. But if you want to do 1 month, I will even bring it down to 40 to make sure say you enjoy your coming to Nigeria and you dey safe. Now what it matter in any hospitality business, security first. And if you get hotel with youngest landlord with my name, you can't expect say fight go can't happen. Or you know what I try talk. You don't get rest of mind.
All those gbele
ask for. So our gain when we get safe. Now 2 things we use for security and electricity. You will just stay inside cold. You dey used to the system. You can't call Nigeria coffee say at the end. Now your house come better pass hotel. So my direct number, my WhatsApp number, my call number, I want give you for this hotel. Now 081. Type on for screen for them.
No, go ahead.
081 30 30 3704. When you want call Nigeria or you dey Nigeria, you want yours do home away from home. 30 30 3704. Anytime as you dey come, you want it dey sure say na youngest landlord hotel na you dey come o. No be landlord youngest hotel. You call me. You want see my face for video, you fit still see am. So on a day here, they will make sure say your safety and your security
and comfort
and your comfort
is guaranteed.
Because inside work, now work day. For GDT Aluminium, una dey talk say may I call the number.
The number dey already. Be 080.
The number for GDT Aluminium when you know say you get problem of roof
4995.
Your roof na so e be. You know say you got the way you take build your house when you go use your roof. your house go come be like mosque. Or some house, you get the way you take do, and your house go be like waiting surprise like
one
this.
one of our big brothers waiting for diaspora or Saze or Sawi, and person be say I know where. You don't tell me whether here safe. Say they come. I can guarantee you that here, once you are here, you have security.
If here not safe, me myself go there. Me myself when be youngest landlord, me go there. So the number for GDT Aluminium now 080 320 34995. 080 320 34995. Call them. As far as say you want roof your house, they even get engineer when they help you build your house from foundation. And if you did diaspora, you don't want genuine this thing, try and God bless you as you do. Thank you.
It's time to take leave. We've been here. No other issue that we are going to be discussing much later is the reduction of cement price.
Now we see the talk. I beg anybody when get down, the richest man in Africa. Sorry, sir. I don't know if he cousin they wash us or his brother or his PA. Anybody will get our Oga Aliko Dangote phone number or a WhatsApp or a PA or anybody will marry for their family. I beg. Mona help us beg am. If I say the full Nigeria, it be like say are too greedy. And they ask too much. May reduce cement for Edo State, Benin Kingdom. Because me, youngest landlord, I get many plans for my state and for my kingdom. Through my do more, they employ more. So more than rich am. Cement 4,000. Full barbecue fish when you go chop. Full barbecue.
All right.
Anybody when get a number? No be insult o, na beg. Na beg I dey beg am. Because you know what? You best make 4,000 naira for one bag. And a 5 bag of cement, 5 bag. Now they give you 200 block. If na 6 inches. No, if na 5 inches. Yes, if na 5 inches. Now 5 bag of cement, they give you 200 block. If you do more project, you they know. So imagine now to get 200 block now, you need about 5 bag.
5 bag, which is 20,000.
Which is 20,000 naira. Sand never did there. To pay one more down, never did there. Water never did there. I beg. Mona reach out to Dangote. Because you know why? One bag now 4,000. Full barbecue fish. Full fish, oh. You know barbecue fish? When you feed toast girl, you go come because the fish green. When if you come marry bon, they trade pikin join one fish. When they carry salad, you go carry ketchup. No, not to be ketchup now. Everything, potato, everything is 1.5. If the place too dear, 2,000. If they even know you 1,000. How come? Cement when one reach you take better. Get home
for yourself.
Even if some of the girls go eat and they not go remember you. Wetin one can give you better thing. You can send am 4,000. Nigerians, wanna help us. Beg Dangote, wanna join us for this struggle. If we not reduce in own town, Ahunsa, Kano, if you not reduce their own, no problem. But Edo State, Edo no budget. May bring that because Edo youth, we are not lazy. We want to invest for our state. We want to bring industry come our state. We want to get light industry for this state. We want to get shoe industry, slippers industry, cellophane industry. We want to get wire industry. We want to get many industry where be say we don't need to travel far. They go they get.
All those things.
We want to get and many of our Edo youth are ready to do it, but they need more encouragement from all these bigger companies where they bring down to be strong in the Lord. Now for Udo Shop. Thank you.
All right, so that's it for today. If you're joining us when next, we'll be having Youngest Landlord. It's a very, very wonderful time. And indeed, Youngest Landlord is an industrious Edo son. I must confess to that. He's always promoting whatever brings food on everybody's table. So do have a nice time. It's nice being with you there. And don't forget, our request is always share our broadcast, like, and ensure you promote what is right for Edo and our society at large. God bless you. Bye for now.
Thank you.